today's episode, I'm just going to be talking about the future of the channel and what's next to be reviewed. So we've got today, I'm going to be opening these 4 LMS coaches. Coming up over the next few weeks, we'll be unboxing these 7 Hornby cross country coaches. We've also got 2 intercity coaches. I've also got a Acura scale cement wagon and another 9 of them. And then we've got a TTS enabled shunter, another TTS enabled shunter, another shunter, another shunter, another shunter, and finally this little guy. Let's get started. So today's video, I've got 4 railroad LMS coaches. Just picked these up really cheaply. According to the seller, they're brand new, never been out of the box. They're all priced up at around $80 to $90, and they are LMS. That's a brake coach. We've also got a composite coach, and another composite coach, and a second class coach. So I will be unboxing these, hooking them up to a little loco, and we'll get them running around the layout to see what they look like. Okay, let's get started. So these don't appear to have been opened at all. Really good looking boxes. Oh, nice. Okay, so here's the coaches. They all appear to be brand new, which I'm quite pleased about. So I think they're priced up at $80 or $90 each, but I paid $40 for all 4 of them, so I think I've got a bit of a bargain there. Anyway, let's get them on the layout and see what they look like. Bring our little steam train in. See how these coaches run. This is genuinely the first time, so fingers crossed. Look at that, away they go. Quite pleased with those. So there we go. 4 new coaches, $40, $10 a coach, that's £5. Brand new. What can you say? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Thanks. Bye bye.